Hey everybody, my name is Josh, and I'm here to teach you how to change spark plugs on your motorcycle. There's a couple tools you're going to need. The first one being a ratchet, a socket that fits your spark plug, which in this case happens to be 19mm, and a tool to measure the gap. You're also going to need a rag to clean up them dirty hands when you're done.
Let's start by pulling the plug wires off. Then what you want to do is make sure your ratchet is set to the loosened position. And slide your socket over the top of the ratchet. You might have to give it a little tug. That'll do it. And we can just throw that in the trash. A lot of spark plugs are pre-gapped, so what we're going to do is we're going to check the gap with our feeler gauge. There we go, 40 thousandths. Now that we got our spark plug gapped, we're going to go ahead and install it into the cylinder with just our hands first. 3. Okay, now we're good to put our ratchet on it.
You know, learning basic maintenance on your motorcycle can save you thousands over the lifetime of owning it. And a little extra money in the bank never hurt anybody. Thanks for watching.